Come and get the light. Come and get the light. Come and get the light. Electricity for light. Meteorite solar engine. New solar generator that gives electricity without battery, inverter battery, car batteries. Just hook with your panel, you receive electricity. Now promo is going on with this package. You get, yes, promo is going on. You get this engine, you get 2 bulbs, 1 iron solar bulb, 1 rechargeable bulbs, 5 yards 4 cable, 280 watts panel. We connect it free of charge for you. The original price for everything is 400,000 naira, but because of this promo, we give everything for 200,000 naira so that everybody will have electricity. You will no longer go out to recharge your phone, recharge your power bank, recharge your laptop. You will watch television from morning till evening. You use the rechargeable bulbs at night. So life goes on. No more buying fuel, no more using generator, which is not healthy for your health. No more NEPA problem, no more fuel subsidy. You can use these machines to cook, to blend, to power your television, power your refrigerator, every electrical appliances, be it DC or AC appliances. This machine powers it depending on the number of panels you mount on it. Now we're giving you 1 free panel, 2 bulbs, cables to test this machine before you decide to buy more panels. Thank you.